Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly change your theme language for your online store on Shopify from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account as an administrator. So as you guys can see here, this is my dashboard, and here's what it looks like. And the idea here is we want to get access to the theme customization settings. And to do that, you guys would want to click on online store, or click on this drop down first actually for sales and channels, or just click on online store like so, and you'll see a bunch of different options to choose from here. And the idea here is if you go to edit a theme, it should be registered here under themes, as you can see. And the idea is you'd want to click on customize. So when you guys click on customize, this will take you to the site builder or the store page builder, as you can see. And the idea here is we want to click on the configuration settings. And to do that, I'll show you guys just how. You want to click on the ellipses on the top left corner of the screen. And then you'd want to click on edit theme, edit the default theme content. So this will take you to this page right here, where you get to configure the language or the default language for your store. And it's actually quite simple. So these are prompts that would come up when people are on your store or interacting with the page, as you can see. And I believe the language setting is under localization. Okay, so it's this one right here, as you can see. So obviously, they will get to choose which language or region that they would want to opt for, and you guys can fully customize the message or the theme for your online store. So as you can see here, we can have the language label set to English. You can have the update language set to English as well. So this one is fully customizable and up to you guys. And once you guys make your changes, simply hit save and you're done. And that's it. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel, so please subscribe. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.